Hey everybody, it's me again, and yeah, it got a little messed up. So, working on the 67 Chevelle, it's my shop, and my name's Randy Wittes. So, this is an acid peel because, you know, apparently I got sunburned one too many times. So, what we are working on today is this right here. I have a broken stud on my taillight. And yeah, that was quite a little noise. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna fix it. See you in a minute.
Ready, set, go. No. Whoopsie. Gonna hurt.
Okay, what we're gonna need to fix it is obviously a drill. You're gonna need, most importantly, this little stud right here. This little stud is, well, let's see. This part, this little stud right here is a 1/4 on this side. This is the side that we're gonna tap and drill this, and this is obviously a 1/4 tap. And the drill bit we're gonna use is, this one's a 13. Why is it a 13? I don't know. It just happens to be the one that seemed to fit the best out of all the junk drills that I have. And how I do that is I simply go like so, and if the drill covers the shaft basically but not the thread, that's what I'm going to use, because that will still leave me enough room to cut threads, hopefully. And I say hopefully, but I know that will work because I've done it once already right here. You see? Works fine. Now what you're going to need to do though is, because when you go to take the nut off, this stud will spin out. So you're going to have to JB weld that down in that hole. So let's get busy. All right, help make this process a little easier. I cut that off, flatten that out. Try not to grind too much off this side or whatever. It's, you know, just like don't do what I did. Don't do that either. Anyway, I have to get some more JB weld back on that, I guess. Need a little punch, because I want to just create a little punch hole. Start drilling. Make sure you have some good sharp drill bits, because this stuff is tougher than you think. Okay, number 13 drill bit. See what we can do. If you could put this in a drill press and line everything up so it's nice and straight, that would be great. But, you know, a lot of us don't have that. Yeah, I think we're deep enough. Okay. Some reason that's not getting it, and I realize that the end of my tap here is ground off to make it more of a bottoming tap, which keeps me from feeding it in here. So I'll be right back. Okay, got a little bit bigger drill bit. Just kind of started off a little easier. And that's enough. Alright, when you finally get it fed down in there, be sure you go a little ways and then back it off. And if you've done taps before, you know this. You go a little ways and back it off and then take it out, because now you have a bunch of shavings that need to be knocked off and dumped out. Otherwise they all fall down inside and your tap won't go down in there any farther. All right, now for the JB Weld part. And I'm just gonna, well, I can do this. Make it not so messy. Now I can just peel her off. A little bit there. These little tubes last quite a long time if you don't have any major deals to deal with. Razor blade works good for a squeegee. Mix her up so she turns gray. Be sure you clean out the hole if you use any kind of lubricant to drill or tap. Clean out the hole with mineral spirits or brake clean or something. Get all your debris out and then just put on the JB Weld. Squeeze some down in the hole. Doesn't take a lot. And voila, that is fixed. Now I have the slow drying, so that's got to dry 24 hours. You can see this one, you know, did the same thing. Looks like we went a little bit deeper on this stud because I drilled it with a little bit bigger drill bit at the top because I knew that this would happen. Okay, so keep that in mind. You might want to drill it a little bit so this shaft will go down a little bit farther, because that does give you an issue when you go to bolt it up. The shaft wants to stick through too far, so then you have to put several washers on to make up the difference. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.